Hey friend. If your LG washer won't start, it might be the washer door lock switch. I had to replace mine. And it was easier than I thought. First, unplug the washer. Open the door and remove the outer clamp using your outer spring expansion tool washer door boot seal clamp ring removal tool. Peel back the seal, take out the screws and disconnect the old lock. Now connect the new one, secure it back in place and reattach the seal. Just like that, you're back in business. Take a deep breath. I feel your pain.